Number 5, give the equation. As soon as it says it, I'm going to point slope formula. Y minus y sub 1, slope times x minus x sub 1. If it ever says give me the equation, I'm going to that, because the only thing I ever need is the slope. And it even gives me the slope here. So I know the slope's negative 1. Okay. It goes through what point? Well, here's your x sub 1 and your y sub 1. So you have 8. And the y sub 1's 4. It doesn't get any easier than that. It gives you every single one of the points. All you have to do is plug it in and now clean it up. I distribute the negative 1 through, which gives me what? Opposite of x plus an 8. We have y minus 4 here. I now add 4, add 4. So basically move the 4 over, and I'm done, because it wants it in slope-intercept form. We're in slope-intercept form. Y equals the opposite of x plus 12. Has a slope of negative 1, crosses the y-intercept at 12. Doesn't get any easier than that. Number 6, give the equation. As soon as it says that, again, right here, I go to the point slope formula, the best formula there is. It gives me my x sub 1 right here, gives me my y sub 1, gives me my slope. Now, let me make sure I read it. It goes through these points and has this slope. Yep, it's that simple. Nothing complicated. X sub 1's negative 8. That's the only complication. I don't know why I did equal, sorry. So what do we have? 1/2 x. That minus negative 8 will change to a plus, and 1/2 of 8 is 4. So we have y minus 2 equals that. So we now move our 2 over, and we'll have everything in slope-intercept form. 1/2 x plus 6. Number 7. Now, again, give the equation. So yes, I go right to this. The only difference this time is I have to find the slope, and that's the only thing you ever have to find. You have an x sub 1 and a y sub 1. You could either use 1/7 or 3/27. It doesn't matter. You'll get the same answer. But you first must find the slope between those points. Well, we know the slope is changing the y's over the changing the x's. Rise with the y's, run to the exit. So let's do subtract our y's. 27 minus 7. So I subtracted that direction. So I have to start with a 3. 3 minus 1. So what do we have? 20 over 2. Ooh, steep fella. Slope of 10. You could not climb up that at all. So our slope is 10. Now, we get to decide which y sub 1 we use. I'm just going to use this, smaller numbers. So 7 there, 1 here. If you'd use 3/27, you'll get the same answer. Y minus 7, distribute the 10 through, and then move this number over, and you are done. 10x minus 3. There's the equation. It goes through those 2 points in slope-intercept form.